Can you tell that if you are going to be successful in the future or living the aesthetic life you see on social media, the biker mode, the hot girlfriend mode, or something? I don't think anyone can answer that except yourself. So, this story is about last night. I was just doing my usual gym routine, and doing that, I thought I would sleep early today because I had the motivation to just improve my face and my dark circles to sleep by sleeping. So I decided that I would sleep early today. I came from gym, I came home, I eat my protein, and I start thinking that I will wind up about 11 pm. So generally I sleep about 12 pm something, or even worse 1 pm by finishing all my work. But today I skipped some of my routines and I sleep at about 11 pm. I go to bed at 11 pm, like turn off the lights, do my usual wind up routine, and just sleep. At 11:26 pm, from 11 pm to 11:26, from the last 26 minutes, I am just rolling here and there on my bed, thinking about weird stuff, weird affirmations in my mind that something tomorrow would happen without me even doing it. Because I just read the power of subconscious mind, and I do these affirmations in my mind. And after some times, the mind gets like bored and starts to think of some sexual intimacy between me and my imaginary loving partner and all that bullshit. And 4 minutes later, at 11:30 pm, I get frustrated and I wake up. Like I just sit on my bed thinking weird stuff again. All of my sleep schedule is worse now because I have just seen the time on my phone. And then I decide that I am not tired enough to even deserve the sleep. So I have 3 ways from here. I ask myself, either I masturbate and just lose the energy, or I start chatting with some random girl on Insta and just sleep when it is like 2 or 3 pm. And the last and the most difficult option, work on my script. And the script of this video is what I wrote last night. So basically I chose the third option. And that is when I realized that this script is worth writing. Because last night, if I hadn't choose this, it wouldn't have affected me any much, right? I could have chatted and still slept about 2 or 3 pm, and the next day, today, I could have fixed that. But it's not about the 1 hour or hours I lost chatting. It's about the brain functioning. It's about what as a man I choose to do when I have options. And this pretty much defines what are you going to be in the future. For you guys have these options a million times in a day, when you get to choose whether to do the thing you are supposed to do, or whether to do the thing you want to do. And for me personally, I used to choose what I wanted to do, but my brain has stopped being my enemy, and finally, I'm using the word finally because it has finally started to become my friend again. The last time my brain was my friend was when I was 7 years old, and it wanted to keep me happy. But the negative feedback loop just threatened him, and it became my enemy. And I think this is one of the greatest experience a man can have in his life, especially at a young age. If you get your brain to become your friend again, trust me, you have won in life. Because from that moment on, nothing can stop you. And I mean nothing. Because you don't need anyone to be your friend if your brain becomes your friend. Imagine your brain telling you to do the right thing, and you finally agree to do the right thing. Your brain telling you to just pull your shoulders back and walk with confidence, and you do it. And actually don't get the negative things what are people thinking about me, and what is everyone thinking about me, right? Because that is the effect you will have when your brain becomes your friend again. it is raining outside and I am not supposed to open the window because I have my headphone and books here, so it might get wet. But I just can't help but to love this view. I mean, just look at it. I mean, like, just imagine you have like a girl, like you have your girlfriend, and you finally wants to like be in a serious relationship, right? And your brain tells you that she will decline or she just wants a like normal time pass thing. But what if your brain tells you, go up to her, be a man, spread your shoulders, ask her out for a serious relationship or commitment, and you actually do it? Like, that would be so wholesome, right? Or imagine you have a crush and you want to ask her out on a date. A pussy brain, a evil brain, a enemy brain will tell you not to do it. But a friend brain, a brain who is your friend, who is not lizard, will tell you to do it. And if she says no, it's still okay because I am with you, right? I will find another girl for you and probably attract her for you. That's the power of a friend brain. And I know that this is deeply related to the insecurities you have, as the last video I made upon. You can check that out if you are finally tired of your insecurities and want to leave them by a permanent fix, a deep fix, which is the mindset fix. And this video is just a trailer. I am going to actually tell you how to make your brain your friend and not your enemy by a big video. Like, it would be a long video, but it would take some time to make. So I hope you guys give me some time to that, and I trust you. I mean, I trust myself that I will fucking make it worthwhile for you guys. Like, from that video, your life can actually change. And I'm not just bluffing all this. This is my actual commitment or my actual vote to you that video will change your life, because I have been researching on this like a lot of time, and I will just make the video like in 1 week or something, because it's going to be a long video. But I don't usually say this, but if you subscribe to this channel right now, you will actually change your life by that video. And like, it's totally up to you, right? If you think that you can watch that video even if not subscribing to me is okay, that's up to you. I don't think that I have any right to force you guys, but I urge you to subscribe if you don't want to miss out that video. Otherwise, if you can watch it too. Until then, bye.